Hello everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And today, with the help of Molly and Mickey, we're gonna smoke a stuffed chicken on our ASMOKE AS350. If Molly seems like she's winking at you a little bit, she's recovering from an eye ulcer, but she's doing great. But let's get the chicken on and get it going. Well. Hello everybody, it's good to be back today. We're going to do another cook on our ASMOKE AS350. We're very excited about this. We're going to do another product from Buc-ee's. It is Buc-ee's stuffed chicken with dirty rice. And we are very excited about this. It does look a little flat. It's vacuum sealed real good, but it is partially deboned also. So we're going to put this on the smoker. Before we do, we're going to spray it with some avocado oil all over it. We're going to do that, get it sprayed real good. And we're going to put it on the smoker and smoke it to an internal temperature of 165. Then we're going to pull it off, cut it up, and eat. Now, when you watched the review on our ASMOKE AS350, you saw that it has a liquid tray where you can put water, any kind of juices, sauces you want to do to add flavor and moisture. The biggest thing is adding moisture to the food that you're cooking. It helps speed up the process of cooking. It also helps clean the smoker itself when it's in the cool down process. Today, because we got a kids meal the other day for Molly and Mickey, and we got some apple juice in it. We're going to put some apple juice in the liquid tray so we can add some good flavor to it and some moisture. So we're going to do that. And of course, now that we've did all the initial stuff on the ASMOKE, all we got to do today is just start it up and start having fun with it. So we're going to get this unpackaged so we can get it on the smoker and get going. All right, so now we have our Buc-ee's stuffed chicken with dirty rice off the smoker. The smoker did another fantastic job. We smoked it to an internal temperature of 165 on the ASMOKE AS350. It put out some good smoke. It smells delicious. I'm ready to cut into it, Amber. Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Let's cut into this thing and see what we can get. All right, now we're going to just open it up to see all the stuff inside. Oh my gosh, this looks great. That cuts so nicely and so tender. There you go. Look at that. That looks so good. Man, I cannot wait to try this out. Oh, I can tell you just from licking my fingers, the smoke flavor is just wonderful. See, man, I'm gonna try a little bit of this dirty rice with it. This is gonna be good stuff. But Amber's wanting a bite right now, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Oh man, let me cut you up. The dirty rice got a little bit of a kick to it. I like that. Get Amber a bite up here. Try and get that dirty rice in there with that bite. She's gonna like this.
Chicken is outstanding. Has a terrific flavor to it. You can taste the dirty rice. The flavors got into the chicken itself. The dirty rice is outstanding.
And the chicken looks great. I mean, just the look of it, the skin, the smoke got into it real nice.
Yeah, great smoke flavor. That is fantastic.
I mean, this is just, I don't think we've ever had stuffed chicken before.
No.
And I mean, this is, I'm going to have another bite. Because that's good stuff.
So just a reminder, you can go to ASMOKEGrill.com, use the code SeanAmber10 and save 10% on your own AS350. We love this smoker.
And remember that Sean with 2 N's.
Yes. It's been great. We love it. It does a great job cooking. It's a small footprint. Great for taking just about anywhere with you.
Yes. So this is our second cook on it. Love it. Love it. Did the pellets, we still have pellets left in there from the last cook. That's what we used for this cook. Didn't have to add any more. The apple juice that we put in the tray seemed to have turned out real good doing that. Mm-hmm. Loved it all. I want to have one more bite, Amber.
Buc-ee's does obviously an amazing job.
Yes.
On these frozen products that you can take home.
Yes, thank you, Buc-ee's.
Look forward to trying some of their other stuff.
Amber, you know what this is? This is smacking good, baby. Oh, I just love it. It is smacking good. Very good stuff. So again, we thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. And we sure appreciate y'all watching. We also would appreciate it if you go check out our 2 Happy Bostons, Molly and Mickey. We just share some shorts of them on YouTube also. Just because they're part of our family. They're our kids. And we love sharing videos of them, and they're pretty funny. But
it'll bring a smile to your face.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. But you guys go out there and have fun. Get your ASMOKE AS350 because everything's better together.
You can't stop me now.